to my channel, Maryborn ND, and Gardening with Granny. And this has been quite the week. On Sunday, this is Friday, on Sunday night, my big freezer gave out. I think it's a 26 or 27. It's huge. And so when we discovered it, pretty much everything had thawed. So I gave a turkey and a ham and a couple of steaks to my daughter-in-law. I baked a whole salmon slab. I started bone broth. I last night cooked up 3 chickens. So I got my Presto electric canner getting ready to do broth. So between cleaning and cooking, it's been quite the week. But in between all of that, the guys finally came and weeded. So I have some very exciting gardens to show you, ones that I can finally be proud of because the weeding has been done and it looks very, very good. They did a really nice job. And I was very pleased. They were conscientious and did a good job. And I'll tell you, I've been looking for people to weed for a couple of years. And when I show you the gardens, you can point out whether or not you feel they did a good job. Give me a comment. So I just came back from my Azure pickup. So amidst all that other, now we have Azure food to put away. And my freezer won't come until tomorrow. And then, of course, it takes about 24 hours for it to get to temperature where you can start freezing things. And you can't chuck it full of stuff. You have to give it a chance to freeze a bit at a time. So let's go over the Azure haul that I just did. I'm a little concerned with this one. It's frozen and it looks like it dripped along the sides. So that's a first for me. Usually things come well packaged and frozen. Green beans, and they're still frozen. Cauliflower, it's still frozen. More cauliflower. I got 3 cauliflowers. A lot of times when you buy 3 at a time, you get a sale. And I'll put the prices on the screen. So I don't know whose frozen items that leaked from, but it isn't mine. Okay, let's check this box. Okay, we got applesauce, arrowroot powder, organic ketchup. I really like their ketchup. Toasted granules of onion. So not onion powder, but the granules themselves. And then, of course, my lovely little catalog tells you what is on sale next month. And one more box. Okay. Oh, I love these noodles. They are the egg pasta, and they're just like homemade. They're so tasty. This is Parmesan cheese, not the finely grated, but uh, shredded. And this is the three cheese. Blue cheese salad blend. I'm finally getting lettuce in from my green stuff. Celery. Love their celery. And nice oranges. And my favorite kind of apples. So that's it for my Azure haul. I hope that you'd give Azure Standard a try. It's a wonderful way to buy organic foods that you can trust. So I hope that you have a great weekend, that your Memorial weekend was good. Now on to my preserving. Thanks for viewing. See you next time.